People looking to maintain their vision are turning to high-tech therapies more and more frequently. Laser surgery, telescopic implants, and even artificial eyes are all treatments of tomorrow and are becoming more refined and familiar as technology develops and improves. Antioxidants have received more and more attention of late as possible solutions to a couple of different vision disorders. For example, there's long been solid evidence that antioxidant-rich diets can help prevent some cancers, as well as atherosclerotic heart disease, the primary contributing factor to heart attacks. Researchers suspect that oxidative reactions are at fault for both of those diseases, making antioxidants a natural defense. Antioxidants are particularly effective against two eye disorders. Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is likely the most notorious. AMD affects a surprisingly large slice of aging populations. The disorder affects central vision and, if allowed to progress, can easily rob a sufferer of the sight in one or both of their eyes. While conventional treatment often revolves around surgery, dietary changes have shown promise in fighting AMD. One of the most promising nutritional answers to AMD is antioxidants. Antioxidants like vitamin C and E, beta-carotene, zinc, and copper have all been linked to fighting and preventing AMD. Antioxidants. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are a great natural source of antioxidant vitamin C. Citrus, also wonderful for preventing scurvy. Broccoli, tomatoes, and spinach are all extremely high in ascorbic acid, the main dietary form of the vitamin. 2. Berries. Berries are another excellent way to get your mouth around several different classes of antioxidants. Blueberries, strawberries, goji berries, cranberries, and blackberries all pack a solid antioxidant punch. 3. Nuts. Whole grains and even fish liver oil are other possible sources. Nuts are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Nuts also contain a high level of vitamin E, which can protect the eye from age-related damage. 4. Fish. Oily fish are fish that have oil in their gut and body tissue, so eating them offers higher levels of omega-3 rich fish oil. Fish contains the most beneficial levels of omega-3s. Some studies have found that fish oil can reverse dry eye, including dry eye caused by spending too much time on the computer. 5. Eggs. Eggs are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which can reduce the risk of age-related sight loss. Eggs are also good sources of vitamin C and E and zinc. So, if you want to improve your vision but avoid expensive surgical procedures, try these low-tech solutions. Up your antioxidant intake and add some eye exercises to your workout regimen today. You'll reap the benefits for the rest of your life.